Hey guys, today we will be unboxing these new Xero shoes I got. I've been looking for something that I could have kind of everywhere. So I go to the gym, I go to meetings for real estate, I go hiking, and then every day, like at the grocery store and stuff. So I'm going to just, rip this open. And so I'm going to do just an unboxing. And then if you guys see this like a month or two, maybe not, I'll probably do another one in like 2 weeks. I'm not sure. Just depending on how they fit. Now the fit is controversial. So some are a little bit bigger, some are a little bit smaller. So read the comments when you go to order a pair of Xero shoes. So this is the box it comes in. That's what I ordered. I ordered 8.5. Now these may be different than what I'm used to. So just bear with me. I usually wear anywhere between 8 and like 9.5, just depending on the fit. So 8.5 were all they had on sale. So that's what I ordered. And I'm just crossing my fingers that they fit. So this is the shoe itself. So I think I could wear this kind of with everything. So I'm feeling pretty confident that I'm going to get away with a lot with this shoe. It does have a 5,000 mile warranty. That's pretty sweet. I don't think any other shoe has that. 5,000. I don't know how do they even track that? I'm not sure. But so it has this little liner so that you can wear socks with or without it. This actually is a little bit different than most. This is like a gym mat almost. Man, there's nothing like a new shoe smell. So this is 2 millimeters. It is flat, so it has no rise in it, which is good. That's what I was going for. I'm going for a natural feel, but with a sole itself. So I didn't want, I obviously wanted to wear a shoe, but I didn't want to have any kind of elevation in the front or the back of my shoe. So I have been wearing wrestling shoes at the gym just to avoid any kind of, or taking them off altogether. So I'm gonna try it on real quick. There is a little bit of give when you open this up. I'm gonna try it on. I don't have socks on right now because I went to the mailbox without shoes on. So, oh man, that is sweet. I think, let me show you guys what this looks like. So this is the shoe, top of the view. If I was in shorts, it would look like this. So, and I'm not gonna lie, I do have a little bit of room in there. Not like a ton to like fully spread out my toes, but it did say if you want that type of fit, then to go ahead and order one size up. So, I mean, I could probably get away with 9. I should probably measure my foot just so you guys have an idea. But I know there's some like foot weirdos out there. Are you guys foot weirdos? Let me, I'm gonna measure it. I have a tape measure, and then I'll actually measure my foot as well. So this from top to bottom, this is just a Fat Max 25 foot tape measure. So I'll actually let you guys do the measurements. So I'm just gonna put it up there. You guys can decide. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if that's better in the front or the back. That way you can see where it actually ends. Put that on the back of it. Almost right at 11. Now the inside is going to be a little bit more shallow than that. But yeah, so wonder if you guys could bear with me. That's the bottom of my foot. We're going to go to the top. And these videos are freaking pain, huh? Just kidding. So you can see that my foot is definitely not as big as the shoe itself. So I did notice that I had a little bit of room in there, but there is a little bit of extra on the back of the shoe and the front of the shoe itself. So I would say it's probably 10 and a half on the shoe itself, and then my foot is about 10 inches, I would say. Total, maybe 11 on the shoe. I'm not sure if you count these edges as well. But overall, man, this is pretty cool. this whole design right here, it's pretty sleek looking, honestly. Minimalist shoe. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear the hell out of these. I'm probably gonna wear them everywhere I go. I don't know if you'll see me in a different color shoe. I don't know. So I'm gonna be going hiking. I'm gonna take these hiking with me. Be going to do showings for real estate. YPN representing. We got a YPN paint night tonight, which is Young Professionals Network. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.